Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming from its new time slot of 4 p.m. every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. About 80% of you are not subscribed, so please hit that little bell if you like what you see here today. All right, today on the show, we have the Captain Morgan Quarter Pounder. Yes, I'm turning the iconic Quarter Pounder from McDonald's and making it with a Captain Morgan barbecue sauce. All right, so let's start on the Captain Morgan barbecue sauce. All right, to our little pot here, we have 1 cup of ketchup, followed by a half a cup of brown sugar, followed by a half a cup of Captain Morgan. Our spice mix, which is a half teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of chipotle powder. If you can't find chipotle powder, cayenne is a perfectly good substitute. Half a teaspoon of cumin and a half a teaspoon of oregano. So, once again, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of chipotle powder, half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of dried oregano. Because I thought for whatever reason I said cups earlier. Give this a tiny whisk. I'm not sure if I showed it, but also a half a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Then you just want to give this a whisk till everything is combined. Okie dokie, then over a medium-low heat, we're going to simmer this sauce for 30 minutes, take it off the heat, let it cool, and then place it into one of our disposable condiment bottles. Okay, now with a grill set on high, time to grill up our burgers. These are quarter-pound patties, 4-ounce patties. I've made my traditional way using dinner plates as molds. And right now I'm seasoning them with a burger seasoning that I pick up at my local grocery store that I quite enjoy. And then, after a couple minutes, we'll give these a flip, let them flip on the other side. They'll be done cooking in somewhere between 7 to 8 minutes. I just go by feel. When they're nice and kind of firm, they're done. All right, through the magic of cooking show editing, our burgers are done. The last thing we have to do is place a piece of American cheese on each one, and then give about 30 to 45 seconds for the cheese to melt. Get them off the grill and bring them in the house. Okie dokie. Now with a griddle that you can obviously see, I've melted up some butter. Time to toast up the buns. Again, you can butter the bun itself and do this. I just think this technique works a little bit better. It's the one that I've been going with for a while now. So give these about a minute, maybe 2 minutes to toast up. Just go by sight. When they're nice and golden brown, pull them off. Okay, our bun is golden toasted brown. Time to put our patty down. And no, I did not intend for that to rhyme. Now, normally I would have like lettuce or something on the bottom bun, but again, I'm trying to keep the burger within the confines of what an actual quarter pounder is, and a quarter pounder doesn't have lettuce. Okay, then add some pickles, because again, if a burger doesn't have pickles, probably going to be garbage. And some thinly sliced white onions. And then some of that Captain Morgan barbecue sauce that we made. And then you want to add some mustard. And then just pop the top bun on top. And that's it. The Captain Morgan Quarter Pounder. Done.